Hey guys, today we're gonna explain you how to invest in the stock market. So there are a few steps. Step number one, get your documents ready. So there are a few documents that you need when you start investing in the Indian stock markets. We're gonna start with a few. The first document is the PAN card. Other than that, you need an address proof, license or passport or Aadhaar card, voter card, whatever you have. Other than that, they would ask you for a cancelled check of the bank you want to link, income proof, and some few photographs of yourselves, passport size generally. So we're going to move on to the next step here. That is going to be step two. You have to choose a broker. The broker is the middleman between you and the exchange who facilitates trading for you. And you must choose a broker with great consideration. It should be reliable. After you start investing, there are going to be some charges. That's going to be account opening or brokerage or STT, and even some stamp duty charges that you need to be aware of. Step three, you need to buy some trading books. This is before you actually start trading, because you need to have some basic knowledge about the investment procedure and how to go along as to become a great trader in the stock markets. So there are some examples of books that we can recommend to you that you can always use so you can be a successful trader in the future. And number one that I would recommend is Talks to the Riches, Insights on Investment Behavior by Parik, Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert T, and The Little Book That Still Beats the Market by Joel Greenwald. So these are some books that you should go through before entering the market if you have a knack of reading, and it will really help you out in the long term. Step four, practice paper trading. Now this is something very, very important. This is basically the phenomena of practice making you perfect. You need to have at least 5 to 10 stocks every day that you need to write down on a paper, and just have a thought. If you were trading, how would you go along with it and see the results? Just like the world's best athletes, they just practice every day. It's very crucial at this stage to make yourself a trading investor, or you can say a successful trading investor. So whenever you have a profit, you can mark it down and also negate the losses, and then you can at the end of the day you have a proper account of what you have been doing in the markets. Step five, you need to have a strategy. A strategy is the main formula through which you run in the markets, and whenever you pick a trade, there has to be a certain logic behind it, and that logic you can call as a strategy. So these are very important stuff that you need to have with you, and so as to become a profitable trader in the stock markets. I hope you enjoy the video, guys, and I would like to bring some more videos in the future. So please subscribe to our channel and have a nice day.